Welcome. This video is about using multiple panes. It can work across all Office tools, but practically speaking, I find it most useful when you're working on PowerPoint. Now, what are panes? Look at this slide. I have multiple pictures on top of it. I want to see all the pictures, so I have opened the selection pane. These panes open as windows on the right side. This is the selection pane. Now, because I have multiple pictures overlapping, I have animated them. So I also want to see the animation. For that, I need to open the animation pane. I have already animated them in such a way that when the slide is shown, the first image will be shown. On click, the second image will be shown and first image will be hidden. Appear and disappear. Appear and disappear. Like that, I have multiple slides and I want to quickly check what are the objects and are they properly animated. In order to do that, I need to see the selection pane as well as the animation pane. But as you can see here, I can see either this or this. I want to see both. How do I do that? All the panes by default are on the right side or left side, but they are not fixed there. If you take the mouse cursor to the top of the pane, it will change to a four-headed arrow. Now if you drag, this can be detached and it will float wherever you want it to float. Now this space is there. I want to put it right here. But because that drop zone is still active, it got stuck there and now it is mutually exclusive. So problem. The solution is to detach all the panes. Now this area is good, and in this area I can arrange them in such a way that they don't overlap each other and I am seeing two pieces of information together. So far so good. Now the problem is I would like to see maximum amount of my slide as well. But if I maximize the slide from here, this is going to overlap. If the overlap is okay with you, then no problem. But assume the overlap is not okay with you. Now what do? Here is the trick. I shift and double click on this to go to the slide master. And in the slide master, I am zooming out this slide. I am inserting a shape outside the slide. I am just putting it far away here. Now click on normal button and that should do it. With minimal overlap, multiple floating panes. Another useful situation for this is Copilot. The Copilot user interface also opens as a pane, and like all other panes, this is also detachable. Floating this has a different benefit. Because you will have user interface area, the default Copilot pane doesn't get the full height, and the output of Copilot can be long. So because I have detached it now, I can float it and maximize the height so that I can see as much output as possible. Similarly, in Word, the Styles pane is very useful for troubleshooting, formatting, and you will need Copilot along with it. If you found it useful, like, share, subscribe, give me your feedback, and suggest more ideas for videos. So that's it. See you soon. Thank you.